Hi, welcome dear students to second video of chapter 2 of class 7. In last video I explained about the decimal number system. This system uses 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total 10 digits, and this number system is based on tens because there are 10 digits. Okay, so base of decimal number system is 10. Okay. And you also learn the how to the value of each digit of number depends on the face value base of the number system, the position of the digit in the number. Okay, so why base is 10? Because total number of digits are there 10. We also learned about least significant digit and most significant digits. Okay, so now I'm going to explain the binary number system. So binary number system having just two digits 0 and 1 is called the binary number system. So what it indicates, each binary digit is called a bit. Each binary digit is also called a bit. Okay, so binary number system is also positional value system where each digit has a value expressed in power 2. You have seen the examples of the number system, how you represent the number, using the base 10 and the positional value. I'm just going to show you the example here. Here you can see the from right to left 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So first digit from the rightmost side, can write from the zeros. So what is the value of 2 to the power 0? Okay, so value of 2 to the power 0 similar to the number system. Okay, so similarly in any binary number, the rightmost digit is called the least significant bit and the leftmost digit is called the most significant bit, similar to the number system. Okay, so you can see here in the figure, rightmost digit is 0 called the LSB, that is the least significant bit, and you can see here the leftmost digit is called most significant digit. 1 is the most significant digit. Okay. So decimal equivalent of the number is the sum of the product of each digit with the position value. Just take an example here. I'm going to show you the example based on the maze. Here you can see the number. You can how many numbers here you can count from 0, index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can say, so right from the rightmost side, how will you represent? It shows the number base 2. So you can understand this one is a binary number. Understood? So binary number, going to convert binary number to decimal number. So binary to decimal, how will you? Right? So first you can see that from rightmost side 0. What is the place value? Here you can say write down 0 into 2 to the power 0. Why 2 to the power 0? Because the binary number. So first digit from the rightmost side you can write down here 2 to the power 0. Again plus sign here, and second digit is 1. So you can write down 1 into 2 to the power 1. Again plus third digit is from rightmost side 0 1 0. Third digit is 0. So 0 into 2 to the power 2. Similarly, you can write fourth digit, that is a 1 into 2 to the power 3. And last one from the leftmost side, first digit is 1 into 2 to the power 4. So if you just sum up the number, first is 2 to the power 4, 1 into 2 to the power 4, that is 16, and plus 1 into 2 to 2 cube, that is 8, plus 0 into 2 square, that is 0, and 1 into 2 to the power 1, that is 2, and 0 into 2 to the power 0, that is the value here 0. So you sum up the numbers 16, 8, 24 and 2, 26 and base 10. So now you can see the binary to decimal numbers. Okay. Again I am going to how you will to convert decimal number to binary numbers. Okay. So this you must keep the steps in mind while you conversion from decimal number into binary number. Divide the given number with the base 2. Okay, because you are going to convert in binary number, so just divide the given number with the base 2 and note down the remainder be either 0 or whether 0 or 1, and again divide the quotient obtained in the first division by 2, note down the remainder. Okay, so repeat the same steps till the quotient becomes 0. Understood? And now you can see here the decimal number is here 17, so we are just going to divide by the binary number to this one is going to decimal to binary, decimal number 17 here, so we're going to divide by 2 it's 16 and remainder here 1. So write down here the 1, again 2 4 8, remainder here 0, so write down place here 0, again 2 2 so 4, that is here 0, and 2 1 2, that is here 0. So just go to write down the binary number from bottom to top. You can just see here the arrow. So how will you mark 1 0 0 0 1? So binary number is equal to 1 1 2 3 000 and 1. Okay, so I hope you understood how to convert decimal to binary. So very simple. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Okay.